All right, for this quiz, what you're going to do is only complete this assignment if you got less than 100% on the close reading quiz. If you got 100% your first try in the close reading quiz, you can just hit submit assignment, and then you can turn in a link to literally anything you want. It could be a link to Google for all I care. And in the comments, just say I got 100% on the quiz. What I'll do is I'll go check your grade in the quiz, and in the event that's true, I'm just going to give you full credit for this and you're done. You don't need to do this. You only need to do this assignment if you missed one or more questions on the close reading quiz. So assuming you missed one or more questions in the close reading quiz, you're going to complete this assignment, and when you're done with this assignment and it meets standard, I'm going to give you 100 attempts to finish the close reading quiz, and you can just keep taking it until you get 100%. So here's what you do to complete this assignment. You're going to download this file and upload it to your OneDrive. So right-click, save link as, then pick a good place for it, like your desktop or your downloads, save it, go into your OneDrive, click Upload, Files, and then go find that file and upload it. So I'm going to upload that file real quick. Uploaded one file, and I just found it. Now I'm going to click it. It's going to open a preview, edit, edit in browser. You got to make sure you're editing in the browser. Now here's what the directions are going to tell you to do. For this assignment, you need to pick all the questions from this close reading quiz for the art contest that you missed. And if you hold Control and click this link, it'll open up the quiz itself. And you can go back, and down here, you will be able to have a button that says like see your previous attempts or something like that, and you can click it, and it'll show you the answers you picked, and as well as the correct answers. You can work with people at your table to complete this. By all means, you can ask me questions. The bottom line is at the end of the day, though, you need to do one response for each question you missed. So what you would do is question number, I'm revising, you're going to write a question number there. So numbers 1 through 4 for this quiz. And then what answer I chose the first time, and you're going to write in the response that you chose the first time. And then you're going to think about, and this is really where we get to this term metacog. Metacog means to think about your thinking. That's what the term means, to metacog. So you're going to think about your thinking, and where you're going to start thinking about your thinking is really in this question. What you were thinking that led you to choose the answer you did the first time. And you need to be specific. Something like I was wrong isn't going to work. You need to really think about like, okay, so why did I choose that answer the first time? And write an explanation there. Right here, you need to write down the correct answer. And you can tell the correct answer when you go back to the quiz and look at your previous attempts. It'll show the correct answers. Right here, you're going to have to go back and closely look at that question, maybe do some rereading, maybe do some discussion with people at your table, maybe do some discussion with other people in the class you like to work with, maybe do some discussion with me, to now figure out what do you know now that helps you understand why the answer is correct. And then I want you to go into that quiz, and you can get access to the whole text right here, copy and paste one piece of text evidence that backs up why that answer is correct. What's one piece of text evidence that backs up, that leads you as you're reading to back up why that answer is correct. So you need to do one question for each of the questions that you missed. Notice there's way more blanks than there are even questions on the total quiz, because this is the same form we're going to use whenever we do a quiz in this class. The idea behind any quiz we do in this class is that I expect you get 100% on it, but I don't expect you get 100% necessarily the first time. That every time you take a quiz for any answer you missed, you're going to have to go back and process those answers in your own head and figure out why is the right answer right. And then once you complete this assignment, you're going to have a share. Click the share button, get a link, edit link, account in your organization, copy the link, Control-C, go back to this Metacog assignment, hit Submit Assignment up here, Control-V to paste in, and then turn that in. When this meets standard, I'll let you know in the comments when I send it back, and I'll give you 100 tries on this quiz, so you can just go back, take it as many times as you need to. You only ever do the Metacog once, by the way. If you went back for the second time and took this quiz, and you didn't get the answers right, you would just be able to go take it again, because I would assume at that point it's just you clicked the wrong thing. So finish this up, and then you'll guarantee you get 100%, or have the opportunity to get 100% on this quiz. All right, go for it.